Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today I'm going to make another ghost. 'Tis the season. So I've got my TEExpert Resin mixed up. Set that aside a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and spray. Actually, I'm going to mix my Mateo Golden Glittery, whatever it's called, in here. I'm not going to put a lot in there, but I'm going to put enough to make it a little bit shiny. This stuff goes far. You don't have to have a lot. I've left the top on most of the way because I know this stuff will fly around in the air because it's that light. See how I made it so that it was nice and shiny? It's almost like that diamond dust. I have not had the diamond dust, but I've seen other people have used it. One of these days I'd really like to try it. But here, see how glittery that makes it look? Let's just go ahead and spray them real good with the isopropyl alcohol. Make sure, because last few times I've done this, I've had holes in it in bad spots. So let's hope and pray this one doesn't have it. Let's go ahead and squish them around. Make sure there's no places for them to stay and hide. Let's spray some more on there to surface bubbles. Anytime you use this kind of mold where it's real squishy and all that, please don't use it on your silicone mat, because if you use it on your silicone mat, it will make it, it'll suck the life out of your mat. Oops, I got something in there. Let me get something out of there. Don't know where that came from. But, you know, that's what happens when you have all kinds of craft stuff. Yeah, see those bubbles I'm getting? One time I had it like right here in the front and in the back. The back likes to get bubbles a lot. And the arms. That's 91% isopropyl alcohol is what I'm spraying. Well, it looks like I don't have enough resin to go in here. I thought I had enough. So it looks like I'm going to have to mix up some more. It happens all the time. You know that. Whenever you're pouring, never fails. I'll mix up a little bit more and I will be back to you in just a few minutes. All right, I've got that resin mixed up. Let me go ahead. I think I might have made too much, but I'd rather have too much than too little. Pour some of this in here. Get that stirred up in there. I know I got bubbles in here. I hate when I do that. When I hand mix anything, I get bubbles in it big time. When I use my resiners mixer, it seems to work better. Let's finish pouring this up. There we go. When this gets cured, I will go ahead and be back to you for the demold. It's time to demold. Let's go ahead and get this ghosty out of here and see how he turned out. See if I have any bubbles or anything. Last time I did them. I had a bunch of bubbles, so we'll see. I have to a little bit of cleanup on the bottom, but nothing major. Just peel off the bottom. Okay. We ready? Looks so nice and clear down in there. What do you know? No bubbles. And he's got that glitter going on. Absolutely no bubbles. I am so excited about that. Not even around his eyes. Let me get my BIC Intensity pin. It's got a medium tip, and I'm just going to get his eyes dark in there. I'm going to probably have to do 2 coats. I'm just getting in the back side. I'm not getting anywhere else. I'll have to do a second coat here when this one dries. But look at how clear that turned out. Nice and clean. I mean, you can't really see through it, but that's okay. I think that turned out amazing. I'll be right back. Here we go. I'm going to turn this light off. I'm going to leave that one on though. There. Let's see. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so adorable. I've got one of those color changing lights that you get from, I think I got it from Party Light. That looks so freaky. All right. Wow. I just want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pour as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And don't forget to buy me a coffee if you choose to do so. Thank you. Until next time, keep creating, keep pouring. Bye for now.